Well, we were thinking we can go boat racing and build some sandcastle. Boat racing? What's boat racing? Oh, I love boat racing. So we take these two boats, one person goes in one and one person in the other, and then you have the waves hit us. Ooh, sounds a little scary. Is it safe? Yeah, we're in the shallow end, don't worry. Okay, we're both in. Are we ready? Yep, I am so ready. I'm a little nervous. Don't be nervous, it's fun. Whee! Okay, it is beach day. So we're at the beach, we got the fresh air. Now I'm gonna make sure I've brought everything. First, I've got all of our drinks. So I'm gonna make sure I got enough drinks for everybody. So we have Anna, myself, Ariel, and Fifi. Okay, so let's see. I know that I like the raspberry. Let me get the raspberry out. Is that raspberry? This is a lemon raspberry. I think this will be perfect. I will drink that right up. And then for Anna, she loves the strawberry. So we're gonna bring out the strawberry. And then I think Ariel would like the grape, but I'm not very sure. So we'll just put this just in case. And then I'm gonna bring the watermelon because I have no idea what flavor Fifi likes. So I hope she likes the watermelon, but it's kind of complicated because what if she actually likes the kiwi? Oh no, what am I gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna bring both, but then, oh no, what if someone gets upset that they don't have another drink? What am I gonna do? Okay, maybe I will call her. I'm gonna call her and then I will see what flavor she wants. That'll be the best plan. And then we will go swimming at the beach and have a wonderful time and have boat racing. Yes. So nice, Ariel. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. How are you doing, Mr. Whale? You want to go in the water? It's not time to go in the water yet. Water. Not yet. Bring. Up. I think the snail phone is ringing. You think so? Ring. Oh no, I better answer it. Are you sure you don't want me to answer it? No, I think it's Elsa. We're planning to hang out today. Okay. Hello. Yeah? Oh, what kind of drink do I like? I don't know what kind of drink I actually like. Let me think. Drink. What drink do I actually like? Drink. Yeah, that's a tricky one. I don't know what kind of drink I like. You don't know what kind of drink you like? Yeah, I'm having a hard time deciding. You can pick for me. Pick for you. I don't want to pick for you. You can pick anything. I'm not picky. Okay. So what did Rapunzel want? She wanted to know my drink order, but I don't really have an order. I kind of just, I drink anything. I'm not really picky. Well, hopefully she got one you like. I don't know. I don't really mind. What am I going to do? She told me to pick the drink. I don't know what kind of drink she wants. What if I give her it and she hates it? Absolutely hates it. What am I going to do? Okay, I have to make a choice. Two choices. What will she like better? I don't know. She's gonna like that one. That one has more of a fruity taste. Well, they both have a fruity taste because they're both fruit. Oh, why would you make the decision up to me? Okay, let me see. This is so difficult. Anna, I need your help. Elsa, why is your head just in the sand? Are you okay? No, I am not okay. Rapunzel put me in charge of what to pick for her drink, and I don't know which one she wants. Well, did you call her? Of course I called her. You could just call her again. Do you want me to pick it? I mean, then at least the blame will be on me if she doesn't like the flavor. No, this is a task I am up to. I got everyone else's flavor. Everyone else will love their flavor. I just don't know what she wants. Oh. Okay. And if I bring too many, then no one's gonna be happy because there'll be too many drinks. We can just give the drink to someone else on the beach. I could just give a drink to someone else on the beach? Yeah, just give the drink to someone else on the beach. Someone else will be super happy with a refreshing drink. You're a genius, Anna. Thank you. I'll just bring both. She can pick one, and then someone else can have it on the beach. Yay! Okay, let's get going to the beach. Glad we were able to figure that out. Now we're all ready to go. Guys, I finally made it to the beach. Hi. So, did you figure out what to give me to drink? Yes, I actually brought 2 drinks for you. Oh, thank you so much. Whatever one you don't like, we will just give to someone else. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. I'm so excited. Let's sit down and take a drink because I'm so thirsty. Oh, yeah, me too. Where's Ariel? Hi, guys. Here I am. Okay, so I got you a watermelon or a lemonade. Whatever one you don't want, we'll give to someone else. I got myself a grape. Anna, I got you a strawberry. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks so much. I think I'm gonna take the watermelon. Oh, really? That was my first choice. Oh, you knew me so well. Yeah, and then I started overthinking. That's okay. I overthink about things sometimes too. Ah, a beautiful summer day. Very fruity. I love it. Delicious. What do you guys want to do at the beach? Well, we were thinking we can go boat racing and build some sandcastle. Boat racing? What's boat racing? Oh, I love boat racing. So we take these two boats, one person goes in one and one person in the other, and then you have the waves hit us. Ooh, sounds a little scary. Is it safe? Yeah, we're in the shallow end. Don't worry. Are you ready, Ariel? Oh yeah, I'm definitely ready. Okay, we're waiting for the water. Here it goes! That is your form of entertainment? I'm freezing. Okay, who's next? That was great. Not again. I'm good. I'll stay on the sand. Didn't fancy going on the boat? Nope. I like swimming only. No boats. All right. Okay, Anna, since you were the champion, you want to go with me? Yes, I do. Let's do it. Getting set in the boat. Are you ready, Anna? I'm ready. Here we go. Oh! Anna, you won again. Hey, I want to go with the winner. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. And then we can build building sandcastles for Ariel. Yes, sandcastle is a must. Can I go in your boat? Sure, but you gotta hurry up. Ah! Oh, I caught the boat. Anna! Okay, we're both in. Are we ready? Yep, I am so ready. I'm a little nervous. Don't be nervous. It's fun. Whee! You guys actually didn't fall off the boat. That's so cool. I wish I didn't fall off. It was amazing. I wish you didn't fall off either. You probably would have had a better time if you didn't. Yeah, but that's okay. Sandcastle time. So which bucket do you guys want to use first? Do you have the green one, the blue one, or the yellow one? I'm thinking about the yellow one. I think it's a really cool design. Okay, so we're gonna flip over the bucket first. Now that the bucket is flipped over, we're going to fill it up with sand. Put sand here. And it's gotta be a little bit wet sand, so it sticks. Not too wet, or it'll be super, super, super soggy. Almost there. Okay, now we're gonna pat it in really well. We're gonna flip it back over. Now we're gonna hit it. I'll hit it, I'll hit it. Hit, 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 hit. All around? Do we have to hit it all around? Yep, all around. Hit, 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 hit. Now we're gonna lift. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Oh, let's do another one. Idea, Anna. Let's make another one. We're gonna put some more sand in here. More sand. Pack it in, pack it in. Okay, now we're gonna flip this right over, right here. We're gonna hit it, hit, 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 hit. Yay! These sandcastles are beautiful. Great work, everybody. Thanks for watching.